Meaning of houseboat.
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 Houseboat. A houseboat is a type of boat that has been designed or modified to be used primarily as a home. It typically features living quarters, such as bedrooms, a kitchen, and a bathroom, as well as outdoor spaces such as decks or patios. Houseboats can range in size and style, from small, simple boats to elaborate and luxurious vessels. They are often used as permanent residences or as vacation homes, and are particularly popular in areas with extensive waterways, such as coastal regions or large lakes and rivers.